Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, let's install Tailwind. Before installing, Tailwind has a dependency of Node.js. If you do not have Node in your system, you can go to the official website nodejs.org, install the LTS version. Once you do, again, let's head back to Tailwind website. In the docs, the first thing that you will notice are detailed installation instruction. We will also be using the Tailwind CLI to install Tailwind. Now let us fire up our VS Code and let's head towards the terminal. Let's clear out everything. So the first thing that you need to write to install Tailwind is the command npm install tailwind css. Because npm works with Node, that is why Tailwind has a dependency of Node.js. Let's write this command. Let's fire this. Right now you will see nothing will happen, no file will be created. But after this, let us initialize Tailwind with the command npx tailwind css init. This command, when complete, will give you a file tailwind.config.js. Now this is an important file in Tailwind. This file controls all the configuration, all the settings related to Tailwind. What we need to do right now in this file is we need to come to content and we need to write this, an asterisk, a star. What this will tell Tailwind is to expect Tailwind's classes in each and every file in our current working tree. What this star tells Tailwind, you can expect Tailwind's classes in JS files, in HTML file, in inside each and every file there is. Once we do, we need to create a CSS file. You can name it whatever you want. I am naming it input.css. In that CSS file, we need to write three things. Let me write it. Utilities. So, what we have written. By writing these three lines, we are telling Tailwind that we need the Tailwind's base classes, we need classes related to components, we need classes related to utilities. Once we have these three lines, let us again head back to our terminal. Now, the command that we need to write is npx tailwind css -i will mean input. We will be taking this file which we have just created as input. So the name of the file input.css -o, take this file and output another file by the name output.css. Again, you can name it whatever you want, and a flag --, notice two hyphens. Watch. What this will do is when I run this command, this will create an output.css with 500 to 600 lines of code. And that's it. Now to check whether we have Tailwind working or not, let us create an input file, an HTML file, boilerplate HTML. Let us link the output CSS that we have created, the output CSS, not the input CSS. Now Tailwind has a class flex. No points for guessing, will provide us display flex. Let us check whether we have display flex or not. When we write this, when we open up our browser, let us fire up our browser. As you can see, both the paragraphs are horizontal, meaning we have Tailwind up and running. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.